In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can use Google Calendar to time block mom life. Hey guys, Antoinette here from One Sweet Life, where I help busy mamas like you get organized and design a life that you love. In this video, I wanted to share with you some quick and simple Google Calendar tricks that'll help you kind of time block and organize your mom life so you can get that cleaning schedule worked in there. The first thing that you want to create is a calendar that has all of your non-negotiables in there, and that's stuff that you cannot change, appointments, your daily routine, the things that you're gonna work cleaning around. And so for me, that's like waking up and getting the girls ready and exercising. There's lunch, and then family time. This is the basic schedule that I work cleaning around. So the second thing you want to do is, if you watched one of my other cleaning videos, I had something called the Clean Mean, and I will link that for you in the description box below or up in the corner if you want to check that video out. But it's basically tasks to reset your house. That way it keeps it maintained in between your major cleanings. And so I have scheduled that recurring every day at 12:30. And sometimes it takes me 15 minutes and sometimes it takes me up to 30 minutes depending on what I need to do. So I do have it every day for 30 minutes, and if it takes me less time, then that's just bonus for me. So again, the first thing you want to do is place in your non-negotiables, the things that are set in stone, that aren't going to change for you, that are your major priorities for your days in the week. Then you're going to schedule in your reset time, which is, you can choose to do that in the morning, in the evenings, or in the afternoons. And then any empty space you have then is when you can go in and say, I have this much time on this day. Do I want to clean on that day? Or all these blank white times are technically times that I could schedule in cleaning if I wanted to, but I do it while my little one is napping. So I schedule into my actual work time because that is housework. So I hope that this video helped you think of a couple new ways to use Google Calendar for your mom life. If you thought this video was helpful, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, or click the like button below so I know to make more videos like this one. I'll see you next time. Bye!